Hey guys, my name is Elliot. Welcome back to the 13th grade. Today I want to talk to you about the careers we choose, how we should be thinking about choosing the careers. Ultimately, what we're talking about is choosing how we will make income. Remember the calculation that we have when we're talking about building wealth. Income plus credit equals leverage, which equals more money that allows you to then go get, investments and higher return on investment. The biggest component of that is that income piece. Like if we don't have income, right, then there's not a whole lot we can do with implementing anything that we've been talking about up until this point. So I made a couple of videos. I broke them down into, because they're all kind of a little bit different of a concepts, sort of similar but slightly different. So I broke them up into some sort of bite-sized pieces here below. But go through, watch all of them, and then hopefully some of the pieces will start to stick together. But the idea that you got to be thinking about is, in general, is of the things that you choose, right? Is the job that you're choosing, does it have the ability to really scale to, and you're going to need scale to make sure that you make the maximum amount of money possible, right? And I'm not talking about $300,000 a year. I'm talking about $5 million a year, right? Like, can it scale to that level, or can some part of the business scale to that level? And then if so, do you need some very high skilled thing that you need to learn, education, whatever it is, to go then do whatever that is, right? And so if you do, then you're probably talking about college. And then so then you start have to be thinking about like what really is the return on investment as far as college is concerned. If I have to rack up a tremendous amount of debt, does that mean I'm going to be tied to debt for the next 15, 20 years? Like how long is it going to take me to pay that off based on the income that I can make? Is that really going to set me back? Because I'm not thinking about working for 50 years. I'm thinking about working for like, I don't know, 10, 15 years. So, kind of what impact. And so sort of what's the combination of all of those? But ultimately, hopefully for this far in the course, you do understand that the biggest impact that we have that's going to rob us of our wealth is going to be that first component of taxes, and that our income is then deducted, and whatever's left over is what we can go and sort of deploy and make money off of. So can we choose careers and things that will allow us to take the biggest opportunity for the tax breaks that we know now, but also potentially what we think could be something later down the future? So break down each one of them. And each video is broken down below. Hopefully, it makes a lot of sense to you. It's a very, very important piece that you need to consider because, again, income is going to be one of the major components in your formula to wealth building. Hope you enjoy.